TinyTask as well as AutoHotkey can help automate repetitive tasks on your Windows system, and they can help you create hotkeys to make your life a whole lot easier. Today we're going to have a look at both of them. I'm going to compare them head to head and see which one comes out on top. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, so if you run a busy schedule and you like to automate tasks and you like to stay organized, then TinyTask is pretty awesome. It simplifies your repetitive tasks. It's lightweight, and it records all of your playbacks and your repetitive tasks. It's actually just a couple kilobytes. It captures mouse clicks and keyboard actions for instant replay. You can actually save time on mundane activities, reduce human error, and you can get more done using less effort and less time. Some of its key features over here is the simple interface. Now, when I use software, I don't want to use software that's going to make my life easier, yet it's difficult to use. That's going against the grain. So it has intuitive controls which make automation accessible to absolutely everybody, regardless of your technical skill or your experience, and it has hotkey activation. So you can assign custom hotkeys to instantly trigger your most used automation sequences. You can also create powerful command sequences to handle more complex multi-step workflows. And you have guessed correctly, it has one or two limitations. So it lacks timed executions and calendar-based automation features. It has limited logic, so it cannot handle conditional scenarios or make decisions based on more variables. And then it is an interface-only automation, so there's no API integrations or back-end process automation capabilities. Of course, this is definitely something to consider before you just jump in. Alright, so AutoHotkey, the automation powerhouse. So AutoHotkey actually transforms how you work on Windows. It lets you create custom shortcuts and automate repetitive tasks with simple scripts. You can actually save hours by automating form filling, application launching, and complex workflows. You can boost your productivity without extensive coding knowledge as well. If this speaks to you, then this is definitely a tool that you need to try out. I love creating clean workflows in my busy schedule. So something like this can really help me save time, and I can save time and use it on more important tasks. You can see over here some of the specific features that it has. It uses simple syntax, so you can learn quickly with an intuitive command process. You can create powerful scripts even as a beginner. You can design your own interfaces, build tools tailored to your own specific needs, and it's free to use and modify. You can benefit from community support as well as shared scripts. This is amazing. One or two of their limitations: if you are not using a Windows system, unfortunately, you will not have access to this tool. It's not available for Mac or any Linux users. Also, it has complex scripts, and it can be challenging for some beginners if this is a new working environment for you. And the program actually may trigger antivirus warnings or be blocked by system policies, which you'll have to run around. So, a bit of a concern, but not too big. But it is definitely something to consider. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Both of the software that we had a look at now is fantastic. However, the key takeaway, as I always say, is to make sure that you're going and using the software. You want to know if it actually works for you. This video is aimed at guidance and just to give you a bit of an insight as to what features each one of them have. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.